Good morning. This video is regarding job notification. This is Tamil Nadu Dr. J. Jayalalitha Fisheries University, Directorate of Incubation and Vocational Training in Fisheries, Ramanathapuram. This is only walk-in interview, and this walk-in interview is on 28/12/2021 at Directorate of Incubation and Vocational Training in Fisheries, Aryaman Beach, Ramanathapuram by 10 a.m. and you should go there along with your biodata and all your original certificates. So these are the criteria they have given here. So you should go there directly because this is walk-in interview and you should be there at 10 a.m. on 28. This is 28/12/2021 and this is only consolidated and this is actually only for a period of 1 year. So the scheme is operated under Directorate of Incubation and Vocational Training in Fisheries, and this is based on the following post is based on NDP scheme. This is NADP scheme on training facility on safety at sea for fishermen at Directorate of Incubation and Vocational Training. And for this, what they have asked is automobile engineer, nautical officer, training associate, electrical and electronic engineer, engine mechanic, data entry operator, security, office assistant, sweeper cum attender. And for automobile engineer, they have only one post and the qualification eligibility for this is ME. So the candidates should have completed their ME in automobile engineering, marine engineering or mechanical engineering. Along with that, they should not have less than 3 years of field experience. So they must have 3 years of field experience, at least less than 3 years of experience. For nautical officer, the number of vacancy is only one and this is the consolidated pay. This is everything what they have given here is consolidated pay and this is only for the period of 1 year. And this is walk-in interview. So do remember this is walk-in interview. So you should go there at 10 a.m. on 28/12/2021. And for automobile, the candidate must have ME in automobile, marine or mechanical engineering. For nautical, the candidate must have the certificate of competency in second mate or NCV or higher, and they must not have less than 3 years of sea experience. So they must have sea experience. Then for training associate, for every post they have only one vacancies and this is only for the period of 1 year. And these are the remuneration, that is consolidated pay for the post given here. And for this training associate, the candidate must have MFSC, that is Fisheries Engineering and Technology, or MSc Zoology, Marine Biology, and they must have not less than 3 years of field experience. Then electrical and electronics engineer, the candidates they must have BE or DME, that is in the Department of Electrical and Electronics Engineering, and with not less than 1 year of field experience. So they must have 1 year of field experience. Then engine mechanic, this is also only one post and the candidates must have BE or DME in automobile engineering, marine engineering or mechanical engineering with not less than 1 year of field experience. Next, data entry operator, this is also only one vacancy and this is the remuneration, and the bachelor degree must be in the form of 10th plus 2 plus 3 years of system education, because a few students would have completed their diploma after completing this 10th, but here they have given 10th plus 2 plus 3 years of system of education. And along with that, a certificate course in data entry operator must be there, and typewriting higher lower, and 1 year in data entry operation. Then for security, they should have passed 8th standard and they must have the ability to read and write. For office assistant, they should have passed 8th standard and they should have good physics and they must know cycling and they must have experience in the works what they have given here. Then sweeper cum attender, for them this is a consolidated pay. Then they must have to other basic servants as work in government. Then they must read and write Tamil, and these are the posts what they have given here, and this is for only for 1 period, and this is in the Ramanathapuram district, and you must go for walk-in interview because you should not apply or you should not wait for anything. You must go directly on 28/12 for the address given here, and I'll be uploading this in the description box. If you want, you can download this. Thank you.